What's up guys, welcome back to a brand new video. I'm Viraj from SA Cyberspace. Today I'm going to show you guys how to create a bootable pendrive. Type Rufus in your web browser or click the link in the description below. Select your Rufus software 64-bit. Note, it doesn't have an installation process. Install your pendrive and now open your Rufus software. Now open your ISO file and follow the steps. The setup would take few minutes. Now your pen is ready to go.